Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of Electrolux fridge owners. Error code T3 on your 2025 models. If you've seen this code flashing on your fridge display, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step so you can get your appliance back up and running quickly. First off, what exactly is error code T3? In Electrolux fridges, particularly the 2025 lineup, this code typically indicates an issue with the temperature sensor or thermostat. It means your fridge is detecting a problem with maintaining the correct internal temperature, which could lead to your food not staying as fresh as it should. This error is pretty common in modern appliances and often stems from simple issues like a dirty sensor, poor ventilation, or even a minor electrical glitch. Let's talk about the possible causes. One big culprit is dust or debris buildup around the evaporator sensor, which can make it inaccurate. Another is an overheating compressor due to blocked vents or improper installation. Environmental factors, like placing your fridge in a hot garage or near a heat source, can also trigger this code. And in some cases, it might point to a faulty control board or wiring problem. Now, for troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system. This simple step works wonders for many electronic errors. Once it's back on, check and clean the vents and coils at the back or bottom of the unit to ensure good airflow. Use a soft brush or vacuum to remove any dust. Next, verify that the fridge is level and not overcrowded inside, as this affects cooling efficiency. If the error persists, grab a multimeter if you're handy and test the temperature sensor for continuity, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional. Remember, messing with electrical components can be dangerous, so always prioritize safety. If your fridge is still under warranty, contact Electrolux support for free assistance. In the meantime, keep your perishables in a cooler to avoid spoilage. There you have it. A quick guide to tackling error code T3 on your Electrolux fridge. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay cool.